featuring a completely exposed light bar with vibrant RGB LEDs, merged with the award-winning Trident Z heat spreader design, and constructed with the highest quality components. The Trident Z RGB DDR4 memory kit combines the most vivid RGB lighting with uncompromised performance. The uncovered light bar is designed for visual gratification in full RGB. The default lighting sports a fluid full-spectrum rainbow wave. Downloadable software allows expanded effect and color customizations to the memory modules. Color match your build and rethink the possibilities with RGB. Trident Z RGB retains the iconic design element of the traditional Trident Z lineup, featuring luxurious hairline finished aluminum heat spreaders and an aggressive fin design for highly efficient heat dissipation. The top of the heatsink has been exclusively engineered to mount a wider light diffuser for more extravagant lighting effects. Look no further for a memory that combines performance and beauty for building a stylish, modern PC. Each memory kit contains specially screened through g.skill's unparalleled selection process and a custom-engineered 10-layer PCB offering maximum signal stability, and every single kit is rigorously tested for reliability, compatibility, and performance across a wide range of motherboards. Create a one-of-a-kind PC with the Trident Z RGB memory kit. The best thing about having RGB capabilities is the ability to choose the colors you want. Whether it's white on one day or green on the next, you can be sure these modules will look current and modern in any build.